Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find groups on Telegram using an app. Now let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your chat screen, at the top, tap on search. In the search bar, type a topic or keyword you are interested in, for example, movies, crypto, job, or study. As you type, Telegram will show results. Look under the global search section. Tap on any group that looks interesting. You can see the group name and number of members. Tap join to become a member of that group, and that's it. You have just joined a group directly from Telegram. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.